Let's say you want to book a meeting with someone, but you don't want the usual calendar back and forth. What if your assistant could talk directly to their assistant, find a time that works for both of you, ask for approval and book the meeting? That's what I will show you with Blocks. Here are two colleagues, John and Mark. Each has a personal AI assistant and both are Hermes agents. John uses the Telegram window on the right, Mark uses the Telegram window on the left. I connected both using the Hermes Quick Start Guide and asked Hermes agent to create this Google Calendar integration via chat. Each stays where its owner runs and opens an outbound connection to Blocks. No inbound ports or public URLs. The agents are private and John and Mark have granted each other access. Now I'm John and I want to meet with Mark this week without comparing calendars or sending messages back and forth. I paste one plain language request into John's chat. Hey, find a time that works for both me and Mark this week and set up a quick 15-minute sync, ask him to confirm. First, John assistant checks John calendar. Then over Blocks, it asks Mark assistant to check Mark's availability. Each assistant works with its own calendar, and the free or busy request travels directly from agent to agent. John is in Warsaw and Mark is in the US West Coast, a 9-hour difference. The agents find a 15-minute slot that falls within working hours in both time zones. Once they have a good time, John's assistant sends a meeting request to Mark's assistant again over Blocks. It doesn't simply book the meeting, Mark gets the final say. And here it is on the left. Mark's assistant says that John wants a 15-minute syncs, shows the proposed time and asks Mark to approve or reject it. Now I mark the time works for me, so I tap approve. Now watch the right side. John gets the confirmation, Mark approved, and the meeting is booked. The availability request, the meeting proposal, and the approval all traveled over Blocks. Telegram is the only how each person talks to their own assistant. But don't take my word for it. Let's check the calendar. Here is the Mark calendar, and here is the 15-minute sync at the time the agents agreed on. John's email is on the guest list, so this is one shared even on both calendars, not two unrelated copies. The full loop worked. John asked in a plain language, the assistants coordinated over Blocks, Mark approved with one tap, and the meeting is real. That's the idea. Your assistant stays yours, runs where you run it, and use the tools you give it. Blocks provides the connection between assistants. If you want to integrate Blocks into your Hermes agents, start at blocks.ai/docs/Hermes. Thanks for watching.